Hello and welcome to this new section. So in this section we are going to discuss about the functions min, max, set, get and average. Okay, so let's see min first. So we will display the minimum element from this. So type min. We have to define the struct array arr comma, that's it, that what we define. And okay, so take a variable int of min is equal to arr dot a of the first element, so that we are comparing the first element with every other element. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, I is smaller than arr dot length I plus plus, so it will traverse. So if arr dot I is smaller than, if that element is smaller than min, okay, then assign min to arr. Of I. Okay, and what we need to return the min value. Okay, very simple logic. Okay, similarly define the max. So for max I will just copy this and max, just copy this, make it max. Okay, make it max. Just invert this symbol and make it max. Max and max and max. Okay, very simple it is. Okay, another way of defining is set method. So for set method we need set struct. So guys, we are performing a modification, so use asterisk because we are passing the reference int the index in which we need to modify and our element. Okay, so this is a set method. Okay, so if I want to change, so let me first do the validation part. What is validation? Such that the index should be valid. So if index is greater than equal to 0 and the index should be smaller than arr of length, then don't forget that we are using arrowhead because it is a reference. Okay, then we would perform the same operation. Then we can say that arr of a of index, we assign element to it. Okay, so this is a perform operation that we need to perform. Another is your get method. So what is the procedure for this get method? So get method, what it would do, so it would do one thing. So we need to pass something, so integer get an index from a particular, so struct array arr comma int index. Okay, so same, perform the validation. This should be copied, this should be copied. Okay, this is a validation. Okay, this is the validation that we need to perform. So we want the element. Okay, so for we need to perform a search for int I equal to 0. We we just want the element. Okay, so if we want the element, return the element at that index. arr dot capital A of index. Okay, so we get the index at a particular location, and else it would return -1, which shows that the index is invalid. Okay, so if this condition happens, so it will automatically return. Okay, another is average, avg. So we want to return the average, so it is float type, so avg. So we want struct array of arr comma, just we need this array and just return this thing. First we need to do sum part, so int sum is equal to 0, and in order to do the sum operation, just traverse the whole array. Int I is smaller than arr dot length. Okay, so I plus plus. So do the sum operation. Sum is equal to sum plus arr dot a of I. Okay, and then return what? Sum divided by arr dot length. Okay, so this would return an integer, so we need to typecast it. Okay, float, because it's a floating point, so typecast it and then return the result. So these are the functions that we have created. Now let's execute it one by one. Okay, just so let me first display the maximum result. So max, for max element, if we want, so just type max. Okay, so for min, do the same. Just type min and min. Okay, for average, just do this part, avg, and just in the parameter give arr. Okay, so this is avg. For get and set, let me first define this thing. Get element, which is a particular get method. So if we want arr and element at second position, we get it. Okay, And if you want to, I have not defined, I think in the get method. Yes, I have defined. Okay, I have defined it. So in the set method, what we do, set element. So what we do, set ARR comma at the 0th index, just set the element 5. Okay, so these are the operations that we have performing. Okay, now let's compile and see it is working or not. There is a mistake. What is the I have not defined this thing, arrow part. It might happen. And in this ARR dot length, not a pointer. Okay. So in this we need to define this point because it's not a reference. Okay, I just copy paste this set method, that is why it is showing. Okay, so remember, if you have watched my previous video, that the consequence of defining this is only applicable if we are passing a reference. Okay, if we are not, then use a dot operator. Okay, and in this, what it is, so it's a void type. Okay, so it's a void type, just we cannot display it, we just run it. Okay, we just run the display method. Okay, and what what it does, ARR, so we have to pass it ampersand. Okay, so why we need to pass it? Because we are passing the reference star. Where is a star? Set. So that is the only reason. Okay, just try and do it. Okay, see, it's working. Now let's put the size 10, our elements 5. Okay, what are the elements? 45, 67, 3, 9, 10. These are the 5 elements. Now let's see and perform. So max element is 67, bingo. Minimum element is 3, bingo. This is the average sum total upon the number of elements. So this is a function set, which is at the 0th position, put the 5, value 5. So it is putting the value 5, no 5, it's putting 35. Let me first see what it is doing. So get the element 3 and let me first check this thing, what it does. So get the element and okay, we need to it's the same thing, just put the /n so that our result should not be in ambiguous way. Okay, it would just return the result. Okay, I'll show you. It's the same result, don't worry, it's the same result. Okay, see, we just define in this way so that there is no errors. Okay, there are no errors, just see this, the results are overlapping, that is why it has unambiguous. Okay, so now let's see the 5 elements. So 23, 45, 67, 1, 2. Now let's see. So this is your result. Okay, in this part the result is overlapping. So see, this max element is your 67, minimum is 1, average is this, get element at position what, at 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, at the index 2 it is getting, and set method means it just set the 0th value at 5 and then display. Yes, it is doing so. Okay, so in the previous it's just overlapping of the results, that is why it is displaying 3. Okay, so this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next. Happy data structures.